Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious hot chocolate using Hershey's cocoa. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need Hershey's unsweetened cocoa, granulated sugar, a pinch of salt, milk, and a touch of vanilla extract. Make sure you also have a saucepan, a whisk, and your measuring tools ready to go. Now in your saucepan, combine the dry ingredients. Add 3 tablespoons of Hershey's unsweetened cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and a small dash of salt. Whisk these together really well. This step helps prevent lumps and ensures a smooth, rich chocolate flavor throughout your drink. Next, gradually add 1 cup of milk to your dry mixture in the saucepan. Whisk continuously as you pour to ensure everything combines smoothly. Place the saucepan over medium heat. Keep stirring constantly to prevent scorching the milk and to ensure even heating. Heat until the mixture is hot and steaming, but be careful not to let it boil. Once your hot chocolate is hot and steaming, remove it from the heat. Stir in 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract for an extra layer of flavor. Pour your delicious hot chocolate into your favorite mug. You can enjoy it plain or add toppings like whipped cream or marshmallows for a special treat. This easy method makes a perfect cup every time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.